Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable Auto Mop Washing on your DREAME Aqua10 roller. When you enable Auto Mop Washing, the mop will be automatically washed after a cleaning session, which is great, and I would highly recommend enabling that. And to do that, click on three dots in top right corner, and then go to Dock Settings. Now you'll find Auto Wash, and you can disable it or enable it. Now you can also change the washing settings. You can set it to Smart Mop Washing, which will automatically adjust the mop washing duration, water volume, and temperature based on the environment to ensure optimal cleaning results. But you can also set it yourself to the washing mode, to light, standard, or deep, depending on how much cleaning time you like to use, how much water you like it to consume, and everything. Or you can set the water temperature to normal, mild, warm, or hot. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.